Hello, I am Van Adrian and Makua, a computer engineering technology, graduated from Batangas State University, the National Engineering University. I'm passionate about technology, problem solving, and creating efficiently solutions. Through my degree, I gained hands-on experience in computer hardware, basic networking, and control system. I also skilled in troubleshooting, teamwork, and effective communication. One of my notable projects is the QR code-based key management system designed to improve speed, tracking, and security in campus facilities. I'm eager to start my career, apply my technical knowledge, and contribute positively to a company I join. Thank you for watching my video resume. I look forward to opportunity to grow and make an impact.